Just one more quick follow-up from that video earlier. I just wanted to show, I'm going to drag out this square. If you go to the selection tool and convert it to a path, that locking feature, what I was using to lock it to the center, once this is converted to a path, you can use the node editing tool, and wherever you put a node, it'll lock to there. So if you press the letter M, it's going to put you a node in the middle, and then I press M there and M there. So now these are perfectly spaced apart. And I'm going to duplicate this so that I've got another one. And then you'll see with this, it'll lock to the center, and as I move it up, it'll lock to that position. So Control and D, I'm going to duplicate it, go to the bottom, and that's locked to that position. Duplicate it, I'm going to come over this side, and this hasn't got them on it. So all you have to do is, because you know it's going to line up because the spacing's the same. Oh, they're actually on the other side. So all I'm going to do is press M, M, and M. So it's giving me the middles. And then back to the selection tool. And you see it snap there. Duplicate. Snap there. And now, just like the other one, you just want to take, I'm going to group these and take everything from the inside. Group these two. And take everything from the outside. And now you've got like a more complex tab. I mean, you could use that, you know, in many different applications. I just wanted to show that because, you know, it shows just a good way to be able to snap it wherever you want. Because once you've got the node editing tool there, you can press I, the letter I, and just insert a node. And then if you wanted to, the only trouble is, you know, is the spacing. But if you're using the letter M, it's going to do the spacing for you. So that way you know everything's correct. And you can see with M2 that that is a perfect fit. So yeah, I just wanted to add that as a little bit of an update on that last video. So thanks for watching again. And please like and subscribe. And I'll put out another video as soon as possible.